Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. You need to begin by accessing Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. In order to disable it, click on the same icon again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and click on Display. Then scroll down one more time and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!